Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. My daughter bought me some lights for my bike for Christmas, and so it's before daylight and I'm out here. I'm gonna try them out. The kind of lights that go on the wheels. And I only put them on the front because the hub's got the big hub in the back, so I'd have to get something else to hook on there. I just wanted to see how they look today. So let's get going on that. Looks really cool. Only thing is there ain't no one up to see it. Everyone's in bed. I was out trying my thing here, and someone unplugged my battery last night, my battery charger, and so my battery's dead. I switched it because I realized it, but this one was sitting there and I've been sitting there for a while, and I only went like 3.5 miles and it went dead. So gotta get out of the way. There's a car coming. Had to try to outrun the garbage truck with no battery. That's not fun. Anyway, I called for the wife and she's gonna bring another battery. So what was supposed to be a little fun ride today turns out to be an adventure. You don't realize how heavy these bikes are until you try to ride without power. But left me walking again. Okay, I'm not walking. I'm just kind of coasting down a hill. I just ride up and down this road till she gets here. From one hill to the other. Yeah. Yeah. But anyways, I like my lights. Don't look as good, the blue against the orange in the daylight, but at night all you see is the blue. So, and of course I'm Papa Blue Shirt, so it has to be blue. Anyways, I'll talk to you when I get my battery. She should be here in a little bit. Yeah, the battery that went dead was the second battery I bought, I believe. And so it's not even my oldest battery. And I bought it straight from the company, and it didn't hold up as well as the other ones. So, but the last battery I got, I really liked the last one. I got a lot of miles on that one. But it's starting to fade just a little bit. Well, I just realized that my key is sitting on the wall. And so unless we have an extra key in the car, I'm not gonna be able to switch batteries. So we'll see how this turns out.
I'll follow you just like I did for the last 46 years.
Well, she rescued me. She rescued me, and she had the key. She had the key on her key ring, so. So we're set. We're gonna ride. Hopefully this one won't run out.
Hey, I said I was gonna follow Papa Blue Shirt just like I have the last 46 years. Today's our wedding anniversary. We've been married that long, or been together that long. Hey, it's our wedding anniversary today, y'all. 43 years we got married, but we dated for 3 before we got married. We have been together 46 years this year. It's a long time. He's well worth it though. I love him to pieces. This is some good footage.
Sorry y'all about the windshield.
Yeah, it's a little dirty. Let me see if I can get it clean.
Well, it'll make it worse.
No, I've got really good windshield wipers because the man of my youth changed them for me. That man right up there in Papa Blue Shirt.
Nothing like having the battery. Whew. Man, I'm gonna give Mama a heart attack, me riding one-handed. over these bumps. I'm gonna get balled out when I get home. What are you doing riding one-handed over those bumps? Anyways, I am so glad to have my battery. Sure makes a difference. She's gonna follow me just to be sure.
This kind of looks like our route down that one road.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
See what my dog is doing today. I don't see my dog. There they are. Oh, in the back there. Like 15 of them.
I have to take out some of the signs.
This is okay. I mean, he'll, you know.
That's true, it's not right next to our house. This is where we went that one day, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, goes
Come
around
right
the
up
corner.
here. Then it goes down and around. Daddy turns up here, and then we turn. You'll see. You'll see. This is the beautiful scenery, y'all. Right through here is just gorgeous. Look at this. Look at Pucks. Look at how beautiful this is. I mean, this is, if this wouldn't be called Lover's Lane, eh? I mean, getting your horse and buggy and go through here, oh, this would be beautiful. Yep, or a bicycle built for two. Papa Blue Shirt talked about a bicycle built for two. Him and I could just go down Lover's Lane. Isn't that pretty, y'all? I'm sorry. I just think it's gorgeous through here. Or the Tunnel of Love. That man means the world to me. Too bad for two old people.
He's watching Papa Blue Shirt. She really, really likes watching him bike ride. Do you like watching him bike ride?
Oh,
Yeah?
something that jumped in the woods there.
There he goes. Look at the sky, y'all. Oh yeah, I know where I'm at now. Don't go so fast. You're scaring me.
Hey, sorry. Hard hills.
Oh, yeah, nothing like running out of battery in the morning. Good thing we have telephones, huh? My wife can rescue me. Oh, man. Well, today is our anniversary, and we're closing in on the 50-year mark. closing in on the 50-year mark with my sweet honey. She put up with me all these years. So just like she did all those many years ago, she rescued me. She rescued me from the path I was headed down. Yep, I love my woman. More in love now than I was when I first met her, when we first got together. Went through a lot together. Yeah, I thought I had averted a venture. I got out to the road and I seen my battery wasn't charged. I said, oh. So I went back and saw that it was unplugged. So I grabbed one of the other batteries and thought, well, that was close. But as fate would have it, I chose poorly. I chose the wrong battery. This battery's pretty much junk. Only get like 2 or 3 miles out of it. And it stops when it's at 2 bars. Yeah. Alrighty everyone, I made it back home. And not what I had planned for today, but it worked out alright. And I gotta go confront my son about unplugging my thing. Okay, are you the one who unplugged my battery charger?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? That's the...
I don't think I was in that corner.
Okay, well somebody did.
I don't think it was me. I don't mess with that corner of the plug-ins.
Okay. We got spooks in the garage. Maybe it's that snake that's in there.
No, that snake's over by that part, yes.
I had an adventure. I went out, tried my lights, on my bike, my new lights.
Ooh.
And I got out to the road and I noticed my battery wasn't charged. So I went like 3.5 miles. And so it made for an adventure today.
Yeah, it was fun.
Anyways, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.